Welcome back to the channel, where horsepower meets passion. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that brings raw American muscle roaring back to life, the 2025 Chevy Camaro SS 454. This isn't just a carrots, a statement, a thunderstorm, on wheels that reminds the world why we fell in love with V8 South in the first place. Asterisk. Right from the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Camaro SS 454, you feel the aggression. The front fascia is bolder than ever before, with a wide blacked-out grille that screams attitude. The signature dual-element LED headlights are sharper and more angular now, slicing through the darkness like a predator's glare. The bulging hood, fitted with functional air vents, gives a hint of what lies beneath an iconic 454 cubic inch V8 that pays homage to the golden era of muscle cars. The front splitter sits low and wide, enhancing downforce and giving the Camaro a track-hungry presence right from the get-go. Asterisk. Moving to the side, you see the sleek and sculpted profile that merges retro muscle lines with modern aerodynamics. The pronounced rear haunches emphasize that this car was built for power and performance. Massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires fill out the wheel arches with confidence. Gloss black side mirrors, carbon fiber side skirts, and the classic SS 454 badge etched. Just above the fender hint at the fusion of heritage and modern engineering, every angle reflects speed, control, and attitude. Asterisk. As you swing around to the back, the aggression continues. The quad exhaust tips sit loud and proud beneath a redesigned rear diffuser. The rear taillights are narrow and aggressive, with darkened lenses that give them a stealthy appearance. A large deck lid spoiler adds downforce while reminding you that this isn't just a straight-line monster. It's built to carve corners too. And let's not forget the subtle yet powerful growl you hear when the engine is just idling its pure American muscle. Reborn. Asterisk. Stepping inside the 2025 Camaro SS 454, you're greeted by a cabin that blends track-ready functionality with a surprising level of refinement. The sport bucket seats are wrapped in premium Alcantara with red contrast, stitching, and embossed SS logos. The flat-bottom steering wheel is trimmed and swayed with a red 12 o'clock racing stripe. Ahead of you, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster gives real-time performance data, including G-forces, oil temps, and lap timers. In the center console, an 11-inch infotainment touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while also providing access to customizable drive modes, launch control settings, and even line lock for burnouts. Ambient lighting adds a touch of modern luxury, while the classic feel of analog switchgear remains intact for tactile satisfaction. Asterisk. Performance is where the Camaro SS 454 truly flexes its muscles. Under that vented hood is a naturally aspirated 7.4-liter V8 TS, the legendary 454, pumping out an astonishing 650 horsepower and 620 pounds FT of torque. This brute is mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists or a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic, with paddle shifters for those who want to dominate both the street and the track. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.4 seconds, and the quarter mile is conquered in under 11 seconds flat. Magnetic ride control keeps the chassis planted, while upgraded Brembo brakes ensure you can stop just as ferociously as you can go. Whether you're on a straightaway or tearing up a twisty back road, the handling is remarkably tight for a muscle car this powerful. Asterisk. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Camaro SS 454 sits proudly at the top of the Camaro lineup. The base model of the 454 edition starts at around $72,000, and with performance and appearance packages added, it can climb up to $80,000. While that may seem steep, what you get is a limited production modern classic that combines brute power with refined tech, aggressive design, and genuine driving pleasure. It's a muscle car for the modern era, but with a soul rooted in the glory days of American performance. Asterisk. For those considering buying the 2025 Camaro SS 454, here's the takeaway. This car is not for the faint of heart. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it demands respect on the road. If you're a die-hard enthusiast who values torque over trends and wants a car that doesn't apologize for being powerful, this one's for you. However, if you're looking for fuel efficiency or daily comfort, there are better choices out there. But if you want to feel alive every time you press that throttle, the 454 delivers in spades. Asterisk, thanks for joining us on this deep dive review of the 2025 Chevy Camaro SS 454. If you enjoyed the roar of American muscle, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more high-octane content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the 454 over its European rivals? Or is old-school muscle making a true comeback in 2025? We'll see you in the next ride. Until then, stay fast, stay fierce, asterisk.